Hi, Stephen Kupiszewski here. I'd like to give a few pointers on how to be a good witness. I am a litigator. I've been litigating and in court the entirety of my career, which in October of 2020 will be 30 years. As a litigator, I've seen witnesses present from one angle, and as a retired Superior Court Commissioner, which is a judicial officer that some of you will go before, I have seen witnesses in contested matters. So I've seen it from both sides, and I know really what makes an effective witness. Eye contact with the judicial officer is something that's always very important, but we now have a new wrinkle that's been placed before us. A lot of our stuff is going to be by Zoom meeting or by Go-To, which is what the court system is using. So when you're at Go-To, remember, when you're looking at the camera, you're looking at the judge. If you're looking over here, you're not looking at the judicial officer, and you don't present as convincingly as you otherwise would. So make sure that you keep eye contact with the camera. It's awkward, but a good tip on that is to practice it. Practice it with your attorney. Go back and forth, attend Zoom meetings so that you can see how you look and how you present. Now, when you're asked a question under cross-examination, make sure you answer that question and then stop talking. You're not necessarily trying to be helpful to the other side, and the object is not necessarily to communicate. Court is different. You're going to be asked questions and you're going to answer those questions. Most of you want to tell your story and you feel as if you want to be heard. The time that you're going to do that is when your attorney, hopefully me, is going to ask you the questions. Those questions are all going to be fairly simple because it's going to be about your life, and that's when you tell your story. They're really who, what, where, when, why, how questions. So you're going to know the answers to those questions because I'm just asking you about yourself. So the courtroom can be something that's daunting. Most people have never been before, but it's something that if you practice this with your attorney, you can become comfortable with your answers and you can make a good presentation. I hope these tips are helpful, and there's going to be additional tips as we continue to post on our website, at Kupiszewski website. Check us out.